Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best wireless license plate backup cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is the DoHonest V25 Backup Camera. This is one of the powerful camera setups that's loaded with various features. The screen size of the monitor is 5 long inches to provide you with an accurate display. On top of that, the feature that makes this camera stand apart is its digital connection. The digital connection of this camera allows you to connect the camera to the monitor without the need for any wires. Everything is connected over long-range Wi-Fi that does the job even in a high-moving vehicle. Another intriguing feature that'll blow your mind is its monitor, which provides you with effective features. There is a smart switch that allows you to perform 5 different functions. This includes switching the guided lines, converting the images into the mirror or normal modes, and even changing the screen sizes as well. Moreover, here's the best part of the monitor. This LCD screen supports dual channels. Thus, you can buy another camera for the front and connect it with the same monitor. This will save you a ton of money if looking for another camera for the front. Talking about durability, that's also top-notch. Its IP69 protection against dust and water makes it favorable during harsh weather as well. Not only this, the company provides you with the 2 years of warranty to have the utmost trust in it. Number 2. Our second best pick is ATOKIT Backup Camera. Here's another consideration for the frame design. It comes with a stylish number plate design that looks great and is effective at the same. This camera is equipped with every basic thing that you can expect. Let's dive into the details to know them. This frame design camera is compatible with every US license plate. Thus, you'll not have to worry about the compatibility factor. You can use it with all types of vehicles such as sedans and RVs as well. Its IP67 protection against water and shock allows you to drive anywhere without any worries. Here, the camera can easily bear the harsh weather conditions. Whether it's heavy rainfall or scorching heat, the camera will not differ the picture quality at all. Here comes the powerful factor that makes it a considerable choice among plated types. This camera provides you with a wide viewing range of 170 degrees. Here, you'll be able to see almost the complete sides of the car. This camera comes with an upgraded picture quality to provide you with sharp images. The complete scenarios of the back will be visible on the monitor without any difficulty. For the utmost night vision, the camera is equipped with 8 white LEDs. You'll have an accurate sharp image even during blackout situations. Number 3. Our third best pick is Autovox CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. This is another company that provides you with complete facilities. Moreover, the monitor you get here also looks stylish. It'll surely add more points to the interior of the car. Talking more about the monitor, it's 4.3 inches LCD screen. And the picture quality for the camera is also up to the mark. Even during foggy weather, you'll be able to get accurate visuals. Although, the viewing angle here is only 110 degrees, which might seem problematic for bigger cars. Another best thing here is, it is also supported with a digital connection. You'll not have to deal with those hectic cables at all. The camera will stay connected and will provide accurate images even in a fast-moving car. The wireless range can be up to 100 feet in the open area, so you can mount the camera in any position of your vehicle. The image can be flipped between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view, which ensures you can use the camera as a rear backup camera or front camera optional. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ATOKIT Backup Camera. Do you spend most of the time riding at night? In such cases, focusing more on getting accurate night vision would be your first preference. If so, this car camera is your best pick. Moreover, other qualities are also top-notch here. This camera has a unique square design that allows it to have more LEDs as compared to other competitors. Thus, you get 12 high-quality LEDs to provide you with superior night vision. With such power, you'll get sharp and clear images for complete reliability. Coming to the general picture quality, it's up to the mark. The 680p of HD camera will show you lag-free and sharp images. This quality isn't as good with 1080p, but you'll not observe much difference in a small monitor. At the same time, the 140 degrees of viewing angle will not disappoint you as well. The IP68 water resistivity is proof this camera will last long against harsh weather and road conditions. You'll not have to worry about heavy rainfall or off-road conditions. Nothing can go inside the camera. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is ZEROXCLUB Backup Camera. Want to get a top-notch quality product and save some bucks at the same time? It provides you an adequate eye for your vehicle with around $20 of investment. The best part, thousands of happy customers are the proof behind this. Expecting a 720p of display resolution here is not disappointing here. Moreover, many of us will observe no difference between the 720p and 1080p of picture quality within a small LCD monitor. Besides that, there's a complete assurance you'll get the true colors and zero lag visuals. The utmost IP69 protection ratings make this camera durable against those harsh weather conditions. Thus, just like the other top-notch cameras, the ZEROXCLUB Backup Camera doesn't compromise protection at all. One of the best options you get here is parking grid options. Although, it isn't mandatory at all. The green wire attached to the camera is responsible for these parking grids. If you aren't in favor of these lines, just cut the green wire. Just make sure you're good with this option, as it's not reconnectable. The overall setting process is easy and doesn't take much time as well. Also, its wide viewing angle makes it a worthy choice for SUVs and sedan cars. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.